You can easily create a wide variety of drinks with your Sing Park Thai tea as a base. If you like authentic Thai tea taste, then all you need is creamer, sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk. Mix with ice and enjoy your original Thai tea. And for those who want to enjoy fusion Thai milk tea, all you need is sugar, half and half, and ice. It is equally delicious. If you're looking to enjoy Thai tea in different ways, you can try using simple ingredients like fruit syrup or lemon to create new recipes. For instance, you can make iced black tea or lemon tea, which are popular among Thai people, but may be new to you. No matter where you are in the world, you can enjoy authentic Thai tea brewed just for you. Simply try Thai tea from Sing Park. Experience the rich Thai tradition through the delicious and unique flavors of Sing Park Thai tea. Made with 100% hand-picked Thai tea leaves, it is ready to be exported to every corner of the world.